2002 F-150 extended cab. Back door won't open. Quick tutorial. I've already took all this apart. Alright. You got 2 Phillips screws here. And I screw them. All this trim pops off. Got little clips there. Come down here. You have a screw here. Phillips screw. 10 millimeter. Once you get them off, it won't move. It slides up to come off. Then you have this beautiful piece of plastic. Peel it back. On mine, the top latch was not opening. When you get down in here, these cables that run to it have a little piece of plastic with a channel, and the metal cuts through it. So what I've done is I've got it. There's the piece. This mechanism moves and pulls the cables. I got a zip tie run through here, pull more tension on the cable, and my bottom one was just about to break, so went ahead and put a zip tie around it too to hold it in place. So maybe I won't have to do this for a while. Now opens and closes. You might have to test it a few times, get your tension right, get it in place. But quick tutorial, very quick tutorial on how to do that. And if you're going to upgrade your speakers, now's the time to do it, because you already got it tore apart. Put it back together, put plastic back in reverse. Thank you for watching.